Okay, okay.
Yeah. Hi. Good morning. How are you?
Hi, good morning. First of all, thank you so much to having on me on your YouTube channel. So I'm as Vidal. Thanks for asking. And what's about you?
Yeah, I am also buzzing with positive vibes. Thank you for asking. Could you please introduce yourself in a nutshell?
Okay, so my name is Rohini. I'm from Maharashtra. I have done my graduation in Bachelor Science. Lately, I'm fully homemaker because I'm mom of toddler. And nowadays, I'm striving to improve my English. That's all about me in nutshell.
Yeah, so my name is Kirti. Basically, I hail from Bihar. I am also homemaker and a mother of one kid, as well as I have lots of hobbies. But nowadays, I dedicated my time to learn this language, and moreover, I have also a YouTube channel. My channel name is Learn English with Kirti. That's about me. So let's break the ice.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, so I have a question. Means, what do you think? Knowledge comes first or confidence?
Okay, so I would say definitely knowledge come first because we are learning when we have given birth. From that process, from then onward, we are learning something. As is until now, we are learning. So definitely, knowledge come first. Yeah, and from that knowledge, we uh, we boost our confidence and we try to work on confidence. Definitely.
Yeah, and in my opinion, it is a no-brainer. Means, yeah, first knowledge come, after that confidence. But sometimes, for some people, I would like to say that means if some people are confident, so little by little they gain the knowledge and they become confident and knowledgeable also. So I think for some means, in my opinion, both are indispensable. But yeah, means if I have confidence, so we have to try to start new things.
Yes.
So
So I would say both should be aligned. They both
yeah,
should be.
yes,
That it would be meaningful.
yes,
It
yeah,
would
you
be
are right.
meaningful. Yes.
So okay, so what do you think? Uh, which one is the important, knowledge or confidence?
I would say there is no, there is no debate. Both are equally important
Yes,
because if you have knowledge and if you can't, if you don't have confidence, so there is no use. There is no meaning of that knowledge. If
yeah,
Because in today's era we are facing so many problems, so many hurdles just because of confidence, lack of confidence. We are missing out of on lots of opportunity, important opportunities just because of lack of confidence. So it doesn't matter how much knowledgeable person you are, how, but the, but that for that you should have confident enough, then you can raise the bar in any field with flying color.
yes, I totally agree with you. It is a no-brainer that means both are indispensable. Means we need both. If we have a knowledge, so we also need confidence also.
Yes,
So in that way, we have to grow.
yes,
Because I will not say means if I have confidence, so I am a I can do anything.
yes,
No, but we need knowledge also. So in both way, we have to grow, and day by day, we have to achieve our goals.
yes. And let's take an example of our journey, English
Yes,
journey. If we are, we know all things, all practices, but we are not confident to speak enough, so there is no use of such kind of things, whatever you are putting. So there is no use if you are not, what actually truly matter for you, you are not doing that thing. So it doesn't matter how much knowledge and how you are, putting your effort, everything become meaningless.
yeah, it's true. Okay, so I have a question. Means. Uh, what advice would you like means if someone has no confidence, someone has low confidence, they want to start something but they don't have a confidence to start anything.
Okay, so I would say, first of all, there is some reason behind that, because there is a fear of being judged, fear of making mistake, and fear of yeah, making mistake. Most of the time what happened, just because of, we all chasing perfection, and in that case we are uh, we are uh, pulling away ourselves from our growth. And that's the main thing, we are stopping ourselves from growth. So definitely, if you want to build confidence, so it's not, it's a time taking process. It's never happen overnight. You have to put your effort on daily basis, minute effort. Like, if you want to start something, so don't go for, long lengthy process. First start from small. Like, if so just start from 10 minute, small action. Because, small counts, small thing counts, it matters. And definitely over time, it will, it will snowballs, definitely.
1 minute, my daughter is calling. 1 second. I sorry, actually my daughter is disturbing me, so
No issue, no issue.
yeah. So
So,
yeah,
so
so right actually. People
sorry.
always think about the fear, means they always think people will judge me. So that is the reason people don't have much confidence to interact with people. And in
Yes.
I was also thinking same thing earlier when I was means when I was learning this language and I have started our journey. So that time I thought, no, if I speak in front of people, so definitely people will judge me, and I afraid to making mistakes. But making mistake is a part and parcel of life, right? We learn from them and we have to from mistakes actually I have to grow, I think. And whatever we are doing mistakes, so we learn and we are doing correct that mistakes.
Yes. And, that thing stop us, because we think we will make mistake, and definitely they will laugh at me. That negativity, that negativity makes us believe you are not enough, and we start selling ourselves short from other person. So
Yeah.
definitely, step by step you can build confidence.
Okay, so some introvert kind of person, they also means they have a much knowledge, but they don't have a confidence to interact with people. So what take the step to start with interact people?
Okay, so first, they have to start from themselves. If you want to, if you have a fear to mingle with people, to interact with people, so just start from with yourself. Like, you can do mirror practices. You can start from your home, because introvert person means, they they just being introvert. They don't want to, interact. They don't want to mix with other person. So if they started, they start from their family member, so definitely they will start to how to get along with people, and from that process they can boost their confidence.
Yes, I totally resonate with you. Means introvert type of persons, first they have to start with mirror practice and try to interact with family and friends.
Yes,
So little by little they boost their confidence, and they try to interact with other peoples also, because some introvert kind of person, they have a much knowledge but they don't have a courage to
yes,
interact with people. So definitely they have to take little steps to go ahead and try to push yourself to interact with people. So definitely they will also easily interact with people, because now means I am learning this language, and there are lots of people, they know actually how to connect with people, everything, they have a knowledge, grammar knowledge, everything, but they don't have a courage to
yes,
interact with people.
yes,
So yeah, from they have to start with family and friends first,
yes,
then they have to connect with other people so they can easily interact with people.
yes, 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 definitely.
Mhm. And yeah, you have any questions, so we will you could also ask to me.
Okay, so actually, I
S-
don't.
Okay, so when you have started your journey, so what kind of hurdles comes in your journey?
Okay, so it's been more than 1 year. I kicked off my journey, and that time I didn't start from scratch. So I won't, I didn't face such kind of challenges. But when it comes to, as we discussed before, confidence, I didn't have that much confidence to facing camera, to interacting with people in English. I always chicken out from this such kind of situation. But day by day, gradually, I started putting my efforts, and every day I push myself. So that's how I have built my confidence. And when it comes to hurdles, so nowadays I'm juggling with so many things, just because of while raising child. So no, it's absolutely normal, you have to face.
Yeah, yeah. Actually, I resonate with you. If you are a mother, you are a homemaker, so we are juggling with lots of things. First, we have to look after kids, then we have to think our dream also. So in that way, sometimes we are also lacking.
Yes, yes. But every day I make sure, let me eat frog first. Because let me do my, first priorities. She's my first priorities. I know this thing, but along with her, English is also, nowadays English is omnipresent in my life. So I don't want to skip any days. I don't want to break my momentum. And I
Yes.
push myself to show up anyhow.
So you are learning this language. So how do you spend your time to learn this language? Means what step you are taking to improve your communication skill?
Okay, so when I wake up, I make to-do list, which practices I'm going to do throughout the day. So in my case, listening helped me a lot. So I try to listen a lot, and uh, and also I focus on entire day. I try to make three calls to to my co-learner, with my co-learner. So that's how I do my practice. And also I wasn't fond of reading, but I have inculcated this habit, because if you are into reading, so you don't run out of content, you don't run out of words while speaking, while having conversation. So that's how, yeah, I'm getting interest into reading nowadays.
Yeah, I totally resonate with you. Okay, so what is your niche to learn this language?
Needs. Okay, so as I start when I started my journey, that time I started just as a passion, and I wanted to create English environment for my baby. But when I started indulging myself into this language, so I got to know, like when when you become fluent, so then what is your oyster? You can do anything, whatever you want, because English is spreading everywhere by leaps and bounds. It has become mandatory in every field. So definitely I want to do something just for myself.
Okay, so what is your means? What do you think about the success? What is the meaning of success in your way?
Okay, so success means, uh, just not about, gaining or achieving whatever you want, but, achieving that thing, keeping all things in your mind, like, your family member, your, what is, what is the important thing for you, while making success. And in my case, I would say the definition of success, if, as a homemaker, as a mother, while, uh, when she takes her, her breakfast, her meal, what, without watching screen, and, my day, my all day go as, as smooth as silk. So that can be my success, I would say. Yes.
Okay, so what do you like means most? You like reading books or yeah, you told me means I like listening, right?
Yes.
So you like reading a book or not?
Actually, as I said before, nowadays I'm getting interest into reading, uh, because I have started from, I'm not fond of lengthy paragraph, lengthy content. I always go for short paragraph, motivational quotes. So that's how I do my reading practice. Yes, because
So
when you are into reading, so you always have something meaningful to say. Yes.
actually, right now I am in the village, actually my in-laws house, so that's why noise is coming.
No issue. I can resonate with you and I can feel you.
Okay, so you do you have any question? So I will also give the answer.
Okay,
So
so I have one question. So I watched your video with Neha ma'am. So how was your feeling with having, while having conversation with her?
you know, sometimes I connected with mentors, so I don't know why it's happened. Means that time I was afraid, and some I was lacking the vocab and everything. Uh, I try, I push myself. Okay, that is my mentor, so it's nothing happened. Just whatever you come in your mind. So it, but that time my mind goes blank. Actually, I don't
Yes.
know why.
Yeah, I can feel you because, there is one thing always in our mind. They are superior than me and they are eloquent, you know. So that thing we keep in our mind, and that's how we can get stuck.
And you know, sometimes I connect with any co-learners or any YouTuber. So that time I don't have any kind of afraid and any kind of it means any kind of how to
Fear.
say that.
Yeah, fear.
Yeah, that time I easily convey my thoughts, but I don't know, with mentor it's happened to me.
No, not only with you, it also happened with me.
Yes. So you have also kids. So how do you manage everything with kids? Your learning journey, your look after kids. Sometimes I feel I am a roller coaster. I am on the roller coaster. So sometimes I also means pissed off.
Actually, I would say, if you have any burning desire, you have any passion, so definitely you always all said to take the bull by horns. You are always, you always want to show up. And in this, why, in this journey, I have learned so many things. And whenever I feel, demotivate, drain out, so my other co-learner, they lift up my energy. That's how, my practice is going on. So it doesn't matter for me, how much I'm exhausted, how much, I feel demotivated. So just that thing, when, other person appreciate me, so you don't need to other thing.
You are learning anything and someone appreciate you, so that time our confidence boost up. And one thing I learned from one YouTuber, always we have to appreciate to other people also, then they will courage. We have to courage them, so they will also try to do good in their life also.
Yes,
We don't motivate to others people. Just we whatever they are doing, means they are doing a small thing also. So we have to appreciate that people.
yes,
So then they motivate with us, and they will also try to do something good in their life.
yes.
They don't feel demotivated and exhausted, right?
Yeah, because our word has a power. Our word has a power. They can, they can lift up other person, otherwise they can drain. So
And
definitely we should appreciate for their
yeah,
small, minute work. And it also help us to keep going in their life.
yeah. So actually, we are running to the time. So, but you have giving your time, such beautiful time. So, thank you for giving your time. And I know as a mother, it is a very difficult to manage everything.
Actually, my baby is 2.5 years old, and my I got my neighbor, neighbor. I got her to keep eyes on her. So that's how it would, I can manage.
I totally agree with you and resonate with you because I am seeing my daughter. She's a younger than your daughter, but it is a very difficult to manage actually.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
but thank you for your precious time and have a wonderful session actually. Thanks a lot.
Likewise, likewise. Thank you so much for for this golden opportunity, I would say, because it's been a very long I hadn't conversation with anyone over
Yes.
video call. So thank you so much for that.
Yeah.
And
Bye
I would
bye.
like to connect you again and again. Bye. Have a
Have
great
a
day
nice.
ahead.
Yeah. Thank you.